Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Old Harbour Primary from St. Catherine up against Port Antonio Primary from Portland. I'm your host Kadeen Foote and the action begins right now. Earlier, we had the coin toss. Old Harbour Primary won and decided to send in Port Antonio Primary first. So we will begin with Port Antonio Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have that time on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Port Antonio, what was the name of David's father?
Pass.
Would you like to try Old Harbour?
Yes, please, Jesse.
That is correct. Still with you, Old Harbour. What is the name of Adam's second son?
Abel.
Incorrect, it's Cain. Science. Port Antonio, after light enters the eye and passes through the pupil, where does it go next?
Retina.
I think it's
Speak up.
Pass.
Are we okay? We're passing that to Old Harbour. Would you like to try Old Harbour?
no, miss.
It's the lens. Still with you, Old Harbour. After light leaves the lens in the eye, what is the next structure that it goes to?
The retina.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, Port Antonio. Who is Jamaica's Governor General?
Pass.
Passes to Old Harbour. Would you like to try?
Yes, please. Patrick Allen.
That is correct. Still with you, Old Harbour. Who is Jamaica's opposition leader?
Mark Golding.
Correct. English language. Port Antonio, complete the proverb. Faint heart never won. Question passes to Old Harbour.
Yes,
Would you
please.
like to try?
A fair lady.
Correct. Still with you, Old Harbour. Complete this proverb. A bird in the hand is worth?
Two in the bush.
Correct. Television. Port Antonio, which program is aired on TVJ every night at 7 p.m.?
The Good Doctor.
Incorrect, and I'd like you to speak up so I know that you're answering the question. That is incorrect. It is primetime news. Old Harbour, which program is aired on TVJ every Sunday at 6:30 p.m.?
Profile.
Correct. General knowledge. Port Antonio, who is the King of England?
King Charles. King Charles.
Be more specific. Okay, the answer we're looking for is Charles III. Old Harbour, who was the monarch of England before Charles III?
Queen Elizabeth II.
Correct. Social studies, Port Antonio. Which explorer is said to have discovered Jamaica?
Christopher Columbus.
Correct. Old Harbour, which country ruled Jamaica before the English took over in 1655?
Spanish.
Correct. No need to shout. Music, Port Antonio. Which musician was called the King of Pop before he died?
Michael Jackson.
Correct. Old Harbour. How old was the Jamaican reggae icon Bob Marley when he died?
36.
That is correct. Mathematics, Port Antonio. What is the area of a triangle if the height is 7 centimeters and the base is 12 centimeters? Question passes to Old Harbour. Would you like to try?
Yes, please. 42 centimeters squared.
That is correct. Still with you, Old Harbour. What is the area of a triangle if height is 8 centimeters and the base is 14 centimeters?
56 centimeters squared.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. And the scores are Old Harbour Primary on 11 and Port Antonio Primary on 2. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.